Modern agriculture has been transformed by advanced machinery that allows farmers to cultivate more land and grow higher quality crops with greater efficiency than ever before. In this video, we'll explore some of the most important modern agricultural machines that are driving improvements in productivity. Which piece of modern farm equipment are you most excited to learn about in this video? Keep watching to find out. The modern tractor. The tractor revolutionized farming by mechanizing labor-intensive tasks like plowing and hauling. Today's tractors are more efficient than ever, equipped with high-powered engines, GPS auto guidance, and onboard computers. Top brands like John Deere offer articulated four-wheel drive tractors optimized for traction and stability in the field. Tractors have also gotten high-tech upgrades like GPS-enabled auto steering, which uses satellite positioning to drive the tractor in perfectly straight lines for even coverage, controlled traffic patterns, and protection of soil quality. These smart tractors increase productivity by up to 30%. Planting is one of the most important and challenging tasks on the farm. Agricultural manufacturers have created smart planters and seeders to automate the process for uniform plant spacing and depth with minimal waste. Precision planter systems use individual row units with automated electric drive control to independently adjust seed placement variably across the field. They also include high-speed planting capabilities to maximize productivity. Modern planters have interchangeable components that enable farmers to switch between corn, soybean, and specialty crop rows in just minutes. With these advanced systems, farmers can plant faster with pinpoint accuracy while using customized seeding prescriptions tailored for every inch of their fields. Tending and protecting crop health is critical work, and there are amazing new machines to automate care. Precision crop sprayers represent a major innovation, applying water, fertilizers, and pesticides with remarkable accuracy, built for large fields, and can be equipped with sections and sensors to adjust application rates individually. This prevents over- or under-application of costly inputs. There are also robotic crop scouts which use cameras and AI to detect weeds, irrigation needs, disease onset, and more. The data helps farmers address issues immediately to protect crops. Some companies are even developing robots like weeder robots to handle tasks like mechanical weeding without herbicides. Grain combine harvesters are used for harvesting grain crops like wheat and corn. Combine harvesters are the undisputed titans of modern agriculture. Combines efficiently harvest crops, threshing the consumable seeds from the plants and dispensing the chaff. Combines now feature immense horsepower and conveniences like refrigerated cabs to keep operators comfortable through long harvest days. They use reinforced tracked undercarriages for stability and flotation to limit soil compaction. Smart controls also enable operators to optimize machine settings using cameras with sensors that detect variations in crop volume and conditions to improve harvesting efficiency. With their unparalleled speed, capacity, and technology, modern combines can harvest hundreds of acres a day at maximum productivity. Beyond bulk commodity grains, farmers rely on specialty crop harvesting machines tailored for delicate fruit and vegetable harvesting. For example, machines like Oxbo's blueberry harvesters use soft-catching cups to gently pluck ripe berries from bushes during their short harvest window. The berries are conveyed via cups and belts into onboard 500-pound storage bins. Robotic harvesters. Once crops reach peak ripeness, harvesting with minimal field loss is essential for both quality and maximizing yield efficiency. Promising automated solutions are emerging from advanced robotic harvesters. One groundbreaking example can be seen with strawberry harvesting robots. Traditionally requiring extensive manual labor, flexible robotic arms delicately pluck ripe berries and place them directly into packaging without damage. Coupled with imaging sensors evaluating berry color, size, shape, and quality, these picking robots drastically reduce waste and handling without bruising. Robotic solutions are also revolutionizing the harvesting of vine-grown row crops, like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers in greenhouse environments. With the ability to identify and pick individual ripe produce, evaluate quality, and manipulate various shapes and sizes without risk of bruising, productivity scales exponentially. The robots can work around the clock and integrate directly with packaging and processing stations to create automated farm-to-consumer pipelines at remarkable speeds. Agricultural drones are becoming one of the most exciting technologies shaping the future of agriculture. Drones equipped with multispectral imaging cameras can survey entire fields in minutes, gathering massive amounts of visual data from the air. This data feeds into farm management software platforms to build variability maps, monitor crop stress and health, and track growth patterns. The insights allow for very precise real-time adjustments of irrigation, fertilizer, or treatments to optimize soil health and crop yields in meticulous detail. Drones will continue providing value long after planting season, as well as crop dusting capabilities for fungicides and pesticides. Machine vision technology also enables extremely precise spraying to prevent drift or impact on surrounding soil and water ecosystems. As the global population continues expanding, feeding the world requires agricultural innovation to keep pace. With advanced harvesting machines and production tech, farmers now cultivate the land and shepherd crops as efficient high-tech operations. These technologies allow for faster planting, more accurate seeding and crop care, maximized harvest capacity, and minimize losses from field to table. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and the subscribe button if you want to stay on the cutting edge of advancements in farming tech. Until next time.